Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily check for updates in Genshin Impact. So let's start. Now, the first thing you want to do is just be in here Genshin Impact, and then just go to right click to settings, and then you're gonna see version information, and you can also like auto update it like here, and it's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Version information and check for updates. Have a great day and goodbye.